TR here. This video is about the Physical Wellness assignment. Physical Wellness is part of Module 2, Self-Awareness and Care. Key points. I will start with the first lesson, Lesson 1, Healthy Eating Habits. Looks like this. We talk about the Nutrition and Candidates Food Guide. This is for you to carefully read and study, understand, and please note properly cited sources at the bottom of this page. These sources were used to develop this content. The next content page, Lesson 2, is the 24-hour movement guidelines. Again, carefully read the information. I'm not going to go through it too much, except I will talk about the components of sweat, step, sleep, and sit. We have a video to watch, and please note the properly cited sources for the content on this page. The third lesson is proper sleep hygiene. Again, carefully read the information and note the source, the properly cited website that has provided the foundation for this information. And finally, we get to the content page that has the assignment. And the assignment has to do with this case study, SAM. So carefully read this information about SAM. Now, you are required to do a case study template. The case study template will look like this. Here, I have to move it back for you. Your job is to, with detail, depth and detail, provide an issue description of the information that you learned in the Module 2 content pages. This is where you're going to place the properly cited references of those content pages you used to talk about sweat. Once you've given an in-depth issue description, then you are asked to include key insights and vocabulary and provide 2 suggestions how this issue of sweat can be properly dealt with. The more depth and detail you provide, the better the mark you'll receive. You'll notice that we go into sweat, step, sleep, sit, and healthy eating. Next, I'm going to minimize this, and as we go into this content page, there's the assignment rubric. The reason I want to show you this rubric is, and I'm going to slide it over so you can see it, is that the second criterion talks about basic information provided is and drawn from the resources from the lessons. So your mark is going to be determined by you using the information that the course provides for you. All right, now when you're done, you submit your response to the folder Assignment Fitness Case Study. Key point here, once you have submitted your physical wellness and your emotional wellness, those are the 2 main assignments in this module, the Module 2 quiz will appear and be available for you to work on. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to let me know, and I will be happy to help you out. Take care and stay safe.